pick up.
I should have titled the stream "Is USLT getting a McRib?"
That would have been a good one.
Get him 5.
He might not even get a fucking ketchup packet, dude.
You hear, Kip?
Strongest resistance known to man right now.
Ah, my stupid Twitter didn't tweet live. Love it.
Kip, you still in here, Kip? The champions.
Yo, Thorough, how do you pronounce your name? Okay. Am I pronouncing that right, Time?
I don't think he's even in the chat. Is he?
Oh, he's gone, man.
Yeah.
He's had enough of us already.
JMA, that's my measured move above on Apple.
Yeah, I'm gonna roll into 5 cents. I'm gonna roll 4 cents.
3, 2.
2 cents.
Send it.
Oh,
Dude, strongest resistance known to man.
USLT, you are going hungry.
He's gonna starve
okay,
tonight.
Kip. All right, Kip. I'll take 5 on Juve. 5 on Juve, or you want to do 20?
Are we gonna count it if it does it in after hours?
Nope.
No, absolutely not.
Nope.
Absolutely not.
Well, he has an hour.
Here's Power Hour, USLT. Does it shit the bed or do you get your McRib?
2 pennies. 1 minute's not looking so hot for you.
Joking about this fucking McRib. All I want to do is close this fucking position.
I'm up 22% on mine. That's not enough though.
Kiff is starting to get scared about this 31 hitting.
On what, PLTR?
Yeah, he's starting to get worried. We have a strong Power Hour. He's done. Uh-oh. One nice little push for PLTR. It'll fucking get $2 in 30 seconds.
Can you make that happen real quick? Pretty heavy.
When is the DoorDash IPO? It's this week, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like the 8th or the 9th.
Yeah, and Airbnb, right?
I'm not touching Airbnb with a fucking 10-foot pole. I think that's a top signal.
All IPOs have...
They've been flying. Yeah. But Airbnb, that feels like a top signal, dude. Like, why the fuck would you choose a pandemic with a hotel, or basically a hotel business, to IPO?
A lot of people are doing Airbnb versus hotels though because it's more private.
Yeah, but like all their the people that are like super host that have all these mortgages on all these houses can't even pay their rent because nobody's fucking using their Airbnbs.
But we'd have to know like how many people are there like that realistically to know like how bad the business is doing.
I hear you. I think the other two are much more appealing. The AI one and the DoorDash one.
Definitely. But I mean as far as like traveling, if I had to choose between a hotel and an actual house, I'm for sure choosing the Airbnb just off the strength of like privacy and
until they got cameras and shit chilling around you.
I mean, there's cameras in hotel rooms too.
Yeah.
You got that one chick, Erin Andrews.
They actually just took
what
down
happened
like
with Erin
entire...
Andrews?
They took down like a hotel at the ocean front here just because like somebody was like spying on like
Oh
people.
god.
Yeah, there's a lot of creepy shit going on there.
Uh-oh. USLT shit in the bed.
I don't think he's getting paid, dude.
I don't think so either. Which means we aren't getting
Yeah, I was
paid.
I was about to say the sad part is we're not getting paid either. It's not looking good, man. It's got a 5-minute rising wedge and a 1-hour rising wedge.
Yeah.
Fucking ridiculous.
Oh my god, look at it. Look at it. Nuke.
2 pennies, dude. Missed it by 2 pennies.
Let it test this area right here. It's at the top right here. Let it retest.
2 pennies
guys,
that's
like,
cost you.
watching-
We're watching
You
the
guys
1
watching
second
the
chart.
1 minute chart.
I'm watching 5
Oh
minute.
no.
Yeah.
Boys.
Is there a pivot up there? That's not good.
On what?
1 minute pivot on Apple. Oh no, we're
Bouncing
testing
off.
it.
It's bouncing off of 5-minute auto SR. Oh god.
Fucking 2 cents, dude.
Ah, that was funny.
That's ridiculous, to be honest.
There's got to be a whale sitting there.
Yeah, does anybody have level 2? Is there a wall there? Rising wedge is disgusting.
If it was there, it's not there anymore.
Ooh, look at the
The
2
wall
hour.
was at 125.
Look at the
Yeah.
2 hour pivot. You'll like that.
There's like a 547,000
Shares.
yeah.
Yeah, that's big. All right, boys. I don't got the diamond hands. I got out of it. I'm out.
He sold.
I sold. Pump it.
Oh, I see a green candle.
Bump it.
Blood sacrifice.
Hey, you forgot to post the GIF. Only works you put the GIF forward.
He sold. Yes. He sold. Bump it.
What are my contracts? I'm up 18%. Just not enough. Not what I wanted. I want like minimum 50. I just realized in my title I put IWN instead of IWM. Not good. Did IWN hit an all-time high? Maybe I spoke it into existence? Oh, no, it did not.
Sir.
Sold.
Sold.
He sold. Bump it.
I don't think USLT is getting
Yeah, he
Didn't
ain't
launch.
tonight. Nope. Oh, FSLY. Dom asked about FSLY. Looks good to me, man. I'm still holding mine. I got January contracts though, but I'm still holding. Still looks good to me. Huge day. Fucking 15% day. So is that that $600 stimulus, is that like set in stone?
No, I don't think so. Stimulus set in stone? That's fucking hilarious. Yep, USLT is fucking starving.
I've been closing them little by little, Jay. I still have some though. Still holding.
That Texas thing that I was talking about earlier says that it has been formally docketed at the Supreme Court, meaning they're pushing it forward, I believe.
Find it.
Raytheon just announced another $5 billion buyback. Biden picks board member Austin as his Secretary of Defense, I believe. Keep an eye on Raytheon.
Yes.
If Raytheon starts going down with this buyback news, man, I swear to God, getting murdered by
Buybacks are
Rocket
brutal.
is the buyback. Well, typically they go up, but like Rocket is getting murdered because of the buyback.
Blink's still looking really good. It's going again.
Oh my God, Amazon is not stopping.
Is that good for your butterfly or bad?
Good. Really, really
It's a
good.
big move. This might be
It's
the breakout coming.
That was a
This
1 minute
is
squeeze breakout.
from the bottom to the top. Where it's at now, it's like a 2% move from the low of today to where it's at now.
Breaking a squeeze bullishly on almost every lower time frame. You have a massive VWAP, the November VWAP at like 32.40. You get above that, it looks really good. You bounced off, actually, sorry, this is November's VWAP. You bounced off November's VWAP towards the low of the day. Got to get above, what is that, October's VWAP.
Hi, everyone.
What's going on?
Hey.
Verizon looks really good
Hey.
if it closes like this. Yeah, strong close on Verizon so far. A little bear div on the daily. Doesn't look too bad. RTX looks really good too.
PLTR 15-minute looks like a little ascending triangle building up here.
USLT, if it doesn't hit 125, I will never ask you to call it anything. I think you just
Everyone's still waiting for 125 on Apple.
Yep, topped out at
Hello,
124.98.
What's up,
124.98.
Yep.
I'm good, man. I'm good. How's it going?
Good. Very good.
I'm sitting on my sofa, eating pizza, drinking beer, and watching National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. It doesn't get any better than
And
this.
you're also saying pump it.
Yeah. One of my favorite Christmas films of all time.
Where's your family at?
Yeah, they don't really like me. They're upstairs. They'll
Gotcha.
just leave me to it.
Makes sense.
Now, my daughter's sleeping and my wife's cutting watermelon in the kitchen. If you need the details, that is.
Are you a light beer kind of guy or drinking Guinness?
I am currently drinking Sing Tao, which is I believe it's a Japanese beer or Chinese beer. It's a rice beer, a bit lighter. I don't mind what beer, really.
Not a fan of the
For-
dark beer.
Yeah, I used to drink a lot of dark beer, a lot of ale. but it doesn't sit well with me anymore. I can't really stomach it, so I don't bother. A lot of German wheat beer, it's nice, but it's difficult to drink now. Light beer is probably better.
LT.
To be honest, I think I'm going to close my Apple 1218s just because I'm tired of looking at
I-
AAPL.
I agree with you. I think this
That's how I felt.
Freaking list.
it's pissing me off looking at it every day.
Yeah, fuck it, I'm closing it.
Another blood sacrifice.
It's the lowest moving fucking thing I've ever seen.
Take it.
It
Keep
is
it,
up 4% in a week. Not terrible.
Order filled.
That's it, USLT. You're probably getting lunch now.
IB Interactive Broker thing. Order filled. Order partially filled.
They talk to you when an order gets filled.
Yeah, you get it. Interactive Brokers, you get a thing that says order filled.
Wow, you don't get that treatment at Tasty.
No, we don't.
No, you get that.
Oh,
Yeah, you just get annoying
USLT.
noises.
5 cents.
Oh shit.
And it's dead again.
Dead in the fucking water.
What happened to Corsair, man? We were flying.
I know. I'd be
Did it pull back?
super
quick.
green today if it stayed up. Yeah, it pulled back.
I was waiting for the $40 mark. Should have just sold it.
Oh, there goes Apple. Trying again.
It ain't doing it, C's.
Right, that fucking thing off, dude.
It ain't doing it.
Unfortunately, shit headphones isn't enough to get it going.
Want to put $5 on it?
I already put 10 on it with USLT. Gotta buy him lunch. Take 5-1 odds at 124.99.
I'll tell you what, if that thing gets to 125 today, you can buy me a Bitcoin.
A point 0.0001 Bitcoin.
No, just the one.
I'll send you as much Ripple as you want. Shit. What's it? Actually, Ripple's actually to look at it.
You'll send me as much Ripple as I want. Jesus Christ.
It's actually expensive now. What is it, like 40 cents?
57.
47. Ooh.
57.
57. Gee.
Just at 61 like a day ago.
I think re-breaks 100 or a dollar.
The LTR is coiling.
Square, man. Square's looking good.
Yeah, I kept calling out Square. I don't have any buying power to buy it.
I don't know why that's so funny, dude.
Cause he's fucking balls deep.
Over.
That's why it's funny.
Well, it's good. You know, I was looking at my account balance today, and I was kind of sad. I was like, man, I only have like $4,000.
You want so if you're on Tasty, if you click that little blue button that says BAL to look at your balance, my cash is negative.
Wow, are you margin?
Yeah, I'm using leverage.
Hey, head and shoulders on ES 5 minute here. You might fall.
Why is my
Just reply to yourself. Let's reply to
my long equity derivative higher than my balance?
What is that?
When you click on balance,
Yep.
right? My long equity derivatives is higher than what my actual balance is.
That's because you're using leverage on options. It counts in how many shares you're taking on options.
You have margin.
Oh, okay.
USLT, Marvin.
Shoot it dead. It's done. Bring it out back and fucking shoot it.
One hour rising wedge plays out. This will be the saddest chart I've ever seen.
It's all
If it gives
different
up,
since Steve left his post, man. It's all changed.
if it gives up this
That's the
level,
issue.
it's done. I'll be right back.
Tim's not interested in your longs. That's why he's releasing headphones. Fucking headphones, man.
Headphones for like $500 too. They reinvented headphones.
Headphones have been around forever.
Oh, they invented them, dude. What are you talking about?
Oh yeah, you're right.
They're little stereos that go on your head.
The Walkman? I remember having a Walkman
You old as dirt.
with
But I
the
remember when I was a kid, I had one of those little headsets that go into your little disc player, but it has the head strap behind your head. You know what I mean? The one that like goes over your ear, but then the head strap goes behind your head. And we got into a car accident, and the fucking thing like slammed into the back of my head. It hurt pretty bad. Look at PEN, dude. That thing is flying. Pen, but not pen.
I had a Walkman, the first CD ones, and they had like this anti-skip technology because if you bumped it, it would skip.
I never had a Walkman. I'm not that old, but I had a CD
Yeah.
player.
I used to use my brother's Walkman and listen to like Run DMC cassette tapes.
Dude,
a
I
kid.
had an original Sony Walkman with the over-the-head orange headphones with the orange fur on them. Fucking hell.
Whoa, what a goal. Sorry, I'm watching a game.
Oh, I thought you meant
Did
like I was a
LeBron-
winner because
did
I have an
LeBron
old
score a
Sony Walkman.
touchdown?
He felt good about himself for once in his life.
I was like, shit, man. I made it. Someone told me I made it. Fuck. Now he's talking about a football game.
Is LeBron playing?
Oh, here you go. Good news for Boeing. Boeing makes first 737 MAX delivery since FAA lifted grounding. United Airlines receives first Boeing 37 MAX since November 18th.
This power hour sucks.
First vaccines went out today in the UK.
Yeah, I saw that. A really old lady, wasn't she like 80 or something, got one?
Yeah, like 80 or 84 or something. Yeah.
91.
91, Jesus.
Jesus, 91 was shit. Wow. The British leading the way again.
Isn't it with an American vaccine?
No.
Got him.
Are they using
Gotcha.
are they using our vaccines, or are they using the one that they were working on?
No, they're not using your vaccine.
AstraZeneca was shit.
Isn't AstraZeneca the one done by Oxford?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is that the one they're using?
Hell no.
Oh, it's trash?
No, they're using the Pfizer vaccine.
Oh, yeah, Pfizer, American company, yeah. American innovation.
Pfizer's not an American company.
Is it not?
Yes, it is.
I'm losing my mind?
It's not.
Pfizer's headquartered in Manhattan.
Oof. In New York, yeah.
I don't care where it's headquartered. It's not an American company.
in the S&P 100 as well as the S&P 500. Is Pfizer the leading vaccine or is Myrna? I think they're both pretty,
I think Pfizer's the only one that's approved, isn't it?
But no, Pfizer was the one that came out with 90% success rate, and then Myrna came out like the next week with 95. As like a fuck you to Pfizer. Founded in 1849. Gee.
Hey, look at the snow chart. It's on a 1 hour pivot.
Dude, watching this Apple is stressful. I think I'm done watching it. Dude, snow daily is awful though. You want to buy that?
No.
Look at the daily.
I didn't even look at the daily.
I called this out like a week ago. That's when you wanted to buy it. Bounced right off that pivot.
Apple does look like a inverse head and shoulder in the 15-minute.
It looks ready to pop. This doesn't want to. The rising wedges are kind of scary. Caitlin said, I could be wrong, but it's possible Apple is being held down as funds that mimic the SPY are rebalancing to include Tesla. I'm not sure, man. I'm not really looking into the macros of it. I just want this thing to blow through 125 and then get to that 132 gap. But it is being held down for sure. It
Stop
still
being
looks
greedy, just sell it.
It still looks exceptional on the weekly and monthly. Not good enough, Keytoy. It's not there.
That's fair enough.
It does have a lot of warnings to get out, though. You have a bear div on the 4-hour. You have a bear div forming on the daily. You have a 1-hour rising wedge. You have a 15-minute rising wedge with a bear div. It looks pretty bad. To be honest. I'm only up 16% on my contracts, though. Not what I wanted. I think that OTS video is finally finished processing, so once the stream is over, I'll publish that. You guys can take a look at it. I'm going to be making the final video today, which is the Auto SR video. Once that's made, we're all caught up.
Will those be in the mentorship section?
Yeah, I'm gonna post the OTS one in there, and then the Auto SR as well. Those are gonna be public as well, so they'll be on YouTube for everybody. The OTS one, I think after the edits are finished, it's gonna be around 30 minutes long. And I go over, most of the time I spend on the pivots because that's the only complicated part of the indicator. But I go over a bunch of examples on like how to use the pivots, what are good ways to use them for like entries, targets, why do they cut off, like all that stuff. I show a bunch of examples of like Bitcoin, Tesla, Neo, ES, I show like one from each market, so I show one from forex. Got a lot of shit.
Here comes Apple with the cock tease again.
Yep. USLT. What do you got? You got 30 minutes left.
Stop. It ain't hitting it, dude.
Hey, Ali, what's going on?
Hey, Tiff, you take that bet for tomorrow? What if PLTR hits 31 by tomorrow?
Watch Carvana. I called this out yesterday because it was hitting the scanners. And I said that if it broke all-time high, which it just did, it looks really good. Daily broke all-time high, and you closed above it with a breakout candle on this squeeze. And now you're seeing continuation.
You know your boys in that.
Yeah, dude, it looks good, dude.
Love me some Carvana.
As long as it stays above, what is that, 252? Even give it a little bit of room, like 250. Looks pretty good.
What happened to Spotify? Was there news?
I'm not sure. Why did it come down?
I mean, it's literally straight down.
I called out 340. What's the high? 342. I missed the high by $2. Sorry, guys.
Damn, Spotify, fuck.
Yeah, it's getting murdered. I'm not sure.
Joe Rogan left or something?
Yeah, Joe Rogan, the first month, it's exclusive. He didn't like the deal.
Yeah, it's basically what I could see.
I thought it was their employees that were like having a fucking meltdown over him
Oh,
being
they
there.
hated it. Yeah. Well, I heard when he did that most recent Alex Jones video and it got pulled down, I heard it was just some disgruntled employees. It wasn't even like Spotify.
Yeah.
Like, how pathetic is that?
Yeah, I mean, they needed a fucking designated cry room for him, you know?
Yeah.
Didn't you hear about that? That was like Cornell. They had like a designated cry room for
No, I didn't. That's hilarious.
after the 2016 election.
Oh, God. The bottom indicator is the Momo. It's the DBT Momo. It's on our website if you want to check it out.
I put in a Amazon butterfly in my channel. If anybody's interested.
The Momo and the OTS are the top selling indicators that we have. Oasis Trading Suite.
Oh shit, it's for this week? Let's check this out. Let me build this real quick.
Probably like
hey man, snow's bouncing, bro, off that pivot.
What is it, a 1 hour pivot?
Yep, super clean 1 hour pivot. But the daily looks sketch as fuck, but
oh yeah, the 1 hour is nice.
But that stop loss could
if you bought it here, you just put your stop loss below the pivot. That's not bad.
That's exactly what I'm doing right now.
Yeah. The daily is fucking disgusting, but just ignore the daily.
I'm gonna set a 2.5% stop loss.
Is that basically what you've been doing on crypto, just blindly buying the pivots?
Bro, yeah. Can't tell you how many times I'm scalping 20-50x leverage and making like $800 to $1,000 in a matter of 10 minutes.
So you're saying raise the price. I got it. All right, let me go to my website right now.
I think I asked you this before, but when you made the OTS, did you make it for crypto?
Back when I designed the pivots, yes, it was made for crypto.
Because the way, dude, it's crazy how it works on short time frames. Yeah, but don't let's not do that, dude. OTS sucks.
Yeah, John, I could do that. I could send out the I don't think it's segmented. I would have to do that manually. But I could send out the videos.
Yeah, Wu-Tang, you're right. I know you're right. I know it's an American company. I just wanted to feel like, I wanted just some of your glory for at least 2 minutes.
Oh no, buddy. I was just posting what I found.
I know, man.
I just figured we were memeing like usual.
You wanted to be one of the bros.
Yeah. Yeah.
One of the Yankees.
I was just trying to get one over on you lot. That's all.
I know, but
I failed again.
You just can't win anything.
One of the
Dude. You
other
guys
things
haven't won
that-
anything for like 200 years.
one of the other things that was invented in America is Google.
Oof.
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna shut the fuck up now.
Yeah, go back to watching your movie. Weren't you watching a movie?
All right, don't all have a go. Jesus.
Yeah, wanker.
Yeah.
What are you
Oi.
watching? You watching Peaky Blinders?
No, I
Peaky
was
Blinders.
watching National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
Oh yeah, you told me.
Chevy Chase. Absolute classic.
They're American movie.
Yeah.
And that movie in something
Oh.
this side of the house.
The only decent Christmas movies are American movies anyway, man.
Yeah, we also have all the dog shit stuff too, so you got us there.
They all seem to be set in like around Chicago sort of way as well.
Yeah, they're all in
for
the
some reason.
cities, Chicago
Yeah,
and
they're all-
New York.
You're
They
the
are, right?
jolliest bunch of assholes this side of the nut house.
Yeah, exactly. What a film, man. I fucking love that film.
What's happening to PLTR? Let me take a look. Looks like profit taking to me. Anything above 26 is still good. Yeah, any pullback above 26 is profit taking. We could have day traded the hell out of that 26 break. $5 move.
What a fucking brilliant clip, Steve.
I love that.
The bit at the end where he says, "Don't piss me off, Art." Fucking classic, mate. Absolute classic.
Classic.
Fucking love
Classic.
that film. Chevy Chase there, man. I like Chevy Chase. That's my era. Silences all the people in their mid-20s just go like, what's this fucking old guy talking about?
In those movies, I'm mid-20s. I'm a movie nut. I've seen all the classics.
That makes me feel slightly better.
But is Corsair down? Yeah, Corsair turning red today was wild. It was my biggest gainer in the morning.
Hey, did you guys hear the whoever's watching soccer PSG match got suspended?
Biden's got a small size block trade bearish, 369.97. What's it trading at? It has like 20 cents below market.
Yeah, Corsairs, it gapped up and started pushing straight away from open. And I think that bit of blood we had to start with where everything was diving, it just kind of turned it tried to fight against it and then just fell over. Gone.
Yeah, it looks pretty bad to be honest.
They suspended the match in the middle of them playing because one of the officials used the N-word against a player.
Rocket. You know how I was going crazy this morning, guys? It was breaking the ADMA for the first time in like a month. Yeah, it's back below it. What a dog shit company.
One of the officials used that word against a player. Is that what you said?
Yeah. Yeah.
Jesus.
Officials.
No fucking way. Seriously?
Yeah.
That's fucking crazy.
What happened?
They canceled a
soccer
soccer
people
game
being
and
racist.
playing because one of the officials used the N-word against someone.
Just now?
Yeah, it just happened.
You know what really happened? Rocket fucking nuking.
Yeah, to just throw the official out and get on with it.
Yeah.
It's a good shout.
CVS looks really good to continue higher. Yeah, look at CVS 4 hour and daily. The weekly is perfectly holding above that all-time high VWAP. Anything above 72 is really bullish.
How did Etsy get on? Seemed like it was breaking today. I was watching it and I missed my low time frame entry.
Yeah, I saw you
pullback
post
in
that chart. I said it was a really good chart.
Yeah,
It
I was
looks
looking
good.
for that pullback into the top and it pulled away as well. I'm just wondering if it still went.
Everything is a bulldog, man. It's a bulldog. Above 162, it goes to 180. USLT starving to death.
How much is the new Apple headset? It's probably
It's like
expensive.
$500
Wow.
for fucking headphones. And what's funny is they own Beats. They bought Beats
Yeah.
like what, a few years ago?
Yeah, corner in the market.
Beats are shit though, so
Yeah, but are they using Beats technology in these headphones?
Beats didn't have technology; they had the brand.
Oh, so they're just dog shit.
550. Do these have a built-in microphone on them?
They better for 550.
That's separate. I'm separate.
It's like the Apple Pencil. It's just gonna cost you $130.
Yep.
Kiff, it looks like you won.
So do you owe Kiff dinner?
No, that wasn't the deal.
Yeah, that risk reward on that deal was amazing.
USLT should owe us fucking dinner after this bullshit.
Putting us through that, yeah. Dinner is well deserved after being put through that fucking agony. Kiff, does our deal stand for tomorrow?
USLT, I'd be so salty.
That's what he's getting, a fucking salt packet.
2 pennies.
He could feast on that.
Gonna buy you lunch for the whole week. Missed it by 2 pennies.
Dude, you could have been eating real good USLT, just fucking nothing but dirty McRibs, dude, just slamming them like an animal. Fucked up.
Deja, you see Bloom Energy again today?
Is it flying?
It's up another 10%.
Jesus.
Oh, Genus is going again. Dude, the neck beards on Wall Street bets are probably going wild, dude. This stock buried like fucking 75% of that subreddit. Literally, dude. Just buried. Look at the pump and dump on this thing. Buried them.
It's just getting started too, honestly. I think it's got room to run. Yes, almost hit its first bulldog target, 37.12. DraftKings, did it recover? It recovered nicely. Oh yeah, it recovered real nice. Look at that thing.
DraftKings?
Yeah, dude. It's back above 50, almost 51.
Oh, that's my pattern right there, too. That's my pattern right there.
I got stricken out this morning. I had some 49s and some 50s.
Yeah, nasty. Bounced off that 46 level. Rocketed.
That's my pattern.
EOG. Look. EOG inside candles. Looks like it's ready to... It's a massive bulldog. Look at the weekly. The weekly bulldog. Textbook. Literally textbook. Putting this in the fucking zoo coloring book.
You guys want a lotto? Take DraftKings December 11th, $53 call, 75 cents right now.
Yeah, G looks good. Break out of this little bulldog head. Could be fine. The Momo's starting to pick up too. RTX is starting to climb.
I thought they'd go down with their buyback news.
Buybacks are typically bullish unless they're like, there's like certain things about them, like if it's like way below the price or something.
Or comes right after earnings.
Yeah, like Rocket, fucking. I can't believe that thing is back below the 80 MA. Talking all this good shit about it this morning.
Do you still have your March?
Yeah.
Strikes. Okay.
I'm still green on it today. I'm pretty green, but it's irritating.
Well, what do you guys think Spy's going to do tomorrow? Thinking about holding this contract for a gap up.
It looks good. The chart's not really giving any reason to stop. Unless
Holding
there's
at 370 is amazing.
some kind of news.
Yeah, I sold a bunch, but I'm holding one just to keep it long till Friday, probably.
I'm holding my 380s.
Baba's climbing.
Baba.
They suspended the game because the players heard him, got wind of it, and the players walked off, refused to play. So they suspended the game.
I just added PLTR $35 calls. I'm done adding. Can't do it anymore. Done.
You gotta run out of buying power. It makes your decision easy.
Playing the 4-hour pivot bounce here.
A lot of things I want to add to, I physically can't. I need to call my bank. Some fucking wire transfers going.
They ream you on those too.
Oh yeah, they do.
Can PLTR do it?
It's bouncing on a full, not bouncing yet, but it's on a 4-hour pivot. God, I want to see this thing gap up like 25% tomorrow. I'll fucking go wild. I'm not going to be on for much tomorrow. I got a vet appointment to bring Luca in. I think 11.
He's still scratching.
Yeah.
If PLTR gaps up 25%, I'll pay for everyone's Discord.
You heard it here first, guys. It's on stream too. He can't take that back.
Let me clip that on your stream real quick.
Yeah, he can't take that back. That's on stream. Calvin, we might not be seeing you anymore.
Thanks, Calvin. 1710.
Does USLT?
I have to get Deja to give me a 90% off discount code though.
Yeah.
You got any more of those free trials?
Yeah, really.
No McRib today. Well, I don't know, man. The last 2 minutes of
he
the
might
trading.
get it. He got 13. Putting in a higher low.
This shit always happens in the last minute.
Fucking jinx to USLT. I had your name put in. I had the money ready. All I had to do is press confirm. Nah, I just canceled a USLT. I finally turned it off. We'll see if it works.
Should I tell him USLT?
Hey man, those
That
DraftKings things went up already.
that guy's phone must not be working because JMA sold the top.
JMA called out 75-cent DraftKings, and it's at 98 cents. It's almost at $1.
At 98 already? Well, which contract was it?
Which contract?
$52 calls for this week.
He said
for this week.
53s.
Yeah, I mistyped it on Twitter. I meant 53s.
Oh.
53s. You could take either or, but I meant 53s. That was the one that was at 75.
I was gonna say, dude, that shit's crazy. It literally is at 98 cents right now.
I took those.
The 53s?
Anybody still holding those Microsoft lottos? Missed your target by fucking 10 cents.
I'm still holding those 230s.
Hopefully you're not holding the 220s. If you guys took those, they're already back. Your profit was in and out of those like 30, 40%. Almost 100% actually. In like what, an hour? Even? Yeah, they went up to 84. We called them out at like 54, 55, somewhere around there. A little over 50%. USLT, I will fucking buy you lunch for the rest of the week.
Some news on COVID relief. I don't know if it's big news or not.
If Apple gaps up at least 2%.
JMA, COVID relief?
Yeah, first squawk. There's 3 different posts about it.
So it's trying to save him his fucking
Drop. McConnell proposed to drop state and local aid provision from COVID-19 relief legislation, push jobs of police, firefighters, and other frontline public workers at risk.
What about unemployment?
Proposal to move COVID-19 talks forward without state and local aid sabotages good faith negotiations.
I don't have high enough IQ to understand what any of this
Yeah,
means.
either do I.
I'm gonna explain like with 5, please.
Oh, let me read it.
John Ontera.
Someone.
Break it down.
In short, it's saying that they're not going to give states and local governments funding. They're going to give people direct lending and companies direct lending instead, I think.
Holy fuck, what have I been saying for 4 months? Have I not said that? Like I said 4 months ago.
On the moratorium, evictions, and unemployment, that's the other big one.
I said that if they just take that stupid funding out, the Republicans will pass the bill. The Democrats are trying to get all this ridiculous funding for their fucking states. You just take that out of the bill and they'll pass it.
This is bullish.
Yeah, I think he's still in FSLY. He's getting paid today. He's still in that, Jamie?
Say that again?
FSLY?
Yeah.
Apple, what are you doing?
McRib.
Yeah, good fucking buy to your McRib, dude. Not even a
McRib.
10-piece. You might not even get a 4-piece. And what did Johnny say earlier? They're raising the price of the Happy Meal? Yeah, you're not.
Yeah, dude.
I got him. You want to see his message?
Yeah, he got $1.
No, I sent him $15.
That's why it's going down. You fucking paid him before it hit the bet.
Yeah, Kif, man. You would think this day and age, sports has no place for that.
Paid him before the bet. Counted your money. Counted your money too early. It's like looking at your cards in a five card draw before you have all your cards. Fucked up. Never look at your cards early.
Well, pretty happy. I sold those 370s, selling off here into close on SPY.
Happy that I'm green on the day on those contracts. Yes, 4 hours a little ugly now. Selling off a little bit. Daly's really strong though.
See the 5-minute head and shoulders? Kind of choppy, but
yeah, a little ugly. Yeah, I see it's rolling over. Sure. That 1 minute candle we were talking shit about it called the top. The daily SPY looks really good. You are topping out like right on a bulldog target. 37.12 is your first target. High of the day was 37.08. Missed it by 4 points. VIX is nuking though. VIX looks like it wants to go lower too.
Later, Keto.
Have a good one.
Cheerio.
Ta-ta for now. No.
Missing lunch the whole week by
What did you just say?
I said imagine missing lunch for the whole week by 2 cents.
Yeah, it's brutal. What happened? 9 million? 75K? Where do you see that? Where do you see that USLT? Are you just looking at open interest? I don't see it on the scanner or anything. Where are you seeing that at?
LTR $30 that expired this week.
Yeah, I don't see where you're seeing that.
They have
The
90K.
volume,
Yeah.
98K.
Yeah, 98K.
Jesus Christ.
Watch Tesla at close.
I'm so dick deep right now in it. I can't add. The only way I'm adding is if it dips in the morning. ES is fucking, yeah, the 4 hours is nasty on ES.
Yeah, it's not good. I'm green on almost every single position today except for Corsair, which is ridiculous. It was super green this morning. And eBay actually came back. eBay, I'm red very slightly, 0.4%.
USLT, but where did you see the order? Did you see it come through on the tape, like on option flow, on a scanner?
I think he's just looking at the volume on the pasty. I really hope this rising wedge does not play out on Apple. That would be dirty. 15-minute bear div with a rising wedge, though, is really sketch. Also have a 1 hour bear div forming as well. 4 hour div.
They paid $1 for it.
What is that? Unusual. What is this?
They
What
paid
strike?
$1.
Oh, for $30 strikes for this week. Interesting.
Yeah.
Penn should look pretty good at DraftKings. Yeah, Penn's on fire. Penn looks fantastic.
Netflix, guys. Netflix is pretty good.
Yeah, Penn is breaking out of a squeeze right now.
I'm so deep in PLTR. I don't have any for this Friday, but
Dude, Apple's getting crushed.
Fucking USLT, man.
Get recalled or something? Like, Jesus.
Never asking him to call it anything ever again. You lost your touch, man.
Watch Blink at close as well.
10 above 80 looks really good for 88.
some dude on Twitter named Jesus just said repeat bull sweep on ASAN. I don't see it though on. I don't. Maybe
That Wall Street Jesus.
No. Yeah. Yeah, Wall Street Jesus.
Yeah, he's pretty good.
Yeah, repeat bull sweep.
Said Blink. Johnny? I think blank
Yeah,
looks good in a
it could-
31.
I don't know, dude. I don't really like this chart very much.
Blank?
ASAN.
Oh.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, CB, I posted it in chat. You see it on voice chat?
That down there is scary.
Damn, Tesla still pushing.
ES is trying to push back up.
I'm telling you guys, Tesla pre-programmed to hit 6. What's the level? 679. Programmed.
USLT, did you add? Oh, we got 1 minute left. There's no
I get
time.
emails from Elon every
15
week. That's
seconds.
why I keep giving you guys Tesla lotto.
10 seconds.
Fucking USLT missed his lunch by 2 cents.
Fuck it, I bought him.
4, 3.
This Friday, $30 calls this Friday.
USLT, that is the saddest thing I've ever seen, man. I'm sorry for you. I'll send you $1 because I feel bad.
Nah, don't send him anything, dude.
Yeah, he doesn't deserve it. You're right. Green or red on the day, boys. We started red as fuck, ended green as fuck. That's all we need. Very, very green. Green or red on the day. We would be super green if Apple would fucking play along.
USLT, is that an app or something?
Most of you guys are green. Love to see it.
What app is that?
You have to pay for this?
You gotta pay for it, or is it free?
Eileen, do you still have those Tesla calls? You're fucking crazy if you still have those calls.
Dude, crypto, man, is
I
killing
didn't.
me.
Oh, she closed it yesterday.
Oh, that's a good close. Oh, you got back in? You're fucking wild.
Jesus.
She got back in today.
Yeah, you feasting, though.
Yeah. Did you get in on the morning dip? That 5-minute bull dip was perfect. I need to start fucking paying more attention to Tesla. It literally could just, I could get rid of my entire watch list and just watch Tesla. This is the cleanest trade. I have like multiple screenshots of the same exact trade in our trading tips channel. The cleanest trade. Oh, you bought the 680s? Nice. So you're going right for that level, 680. I like.
Gotta get off for a second. I'll catch you guys later.
Have a good one. You guys think Eileen's not here, but she reads the levels. Fucking spend an hour every day posting levels for you guys, and nobody listens.
Bro, I killed it yesterday because of you. I was like so busy, but I was still trading. I had a monstrous day yesterday.
What do you do? Do you put the levels in your actual chart? You mark them out?
I put like little text boxes and then I draw lines on it. And then I leave a note for myself like cut trade here.
Nice.
Take profit here. I also have it on a notepad just to reference it, like when I'm not at home.
Yeah.
Nice work, Eileen. You got paid today, I'm sure.
Yeah, she realized that just trading Tesla is all you need.
Dude, trading Tesla's a drug, dude. It's fucking
Mild
amazing.
obsession could turn into one of the cars one day.
Yeah. Make enough money on Tesla to buy a Tesla.
Yo, pull up, man. Buy me some tacos.
Eileen, where's home for you?
Hey Deja, I know trading day is over. Can you take a look at ETH/USDT?
Yeah. Trading day's never over for crypto.
It's just starting for me now.
Yeah.
Shit, I have so much time off after the next 3 days.
Oh yeah, you're in lockdown. You can't even leave your house.
Oh, I can, but the restaurant I'm doing consulting for is like I'm on vacation.
Yeah.
Since they can't open.
Take a look. 4-hour blue pivot coming in. If that pivot holds, looks pretty good. 1 hour is putting in a ladder pattern though, where I talk about this in the video, where it puts in a pivot, fucking nukes, pivot, nukes. So it doesn't look good until it either puts in a pivot and doesn't break it, or it gets back above the previous pivot. Like the 573 level.
Oh, okay.
On the 1 hour. 15-minute pivot coming in too, though. You got a lot of pivots coming in.
Tesla's climbing after.
Dude,
You could get a little scalp on these pivots if it
I'm itching to take a fucking 50x leverage scalp right now.
Yeah, I'd bet I'd watch that 50-minute pivot. If you don't break that pivot, that'd be the level. The Momo is putting in a bottom warning as well.
On what?
ETH/USD.
Guessing Chewy beat earnings.
Oh, is it mooning?
Yeah, it's ripping. Yeah, it's on fire. It's up 3.5%.
Oh my.
Oh, King took that.
Yeah.
The 85s?
Oh yeah. What did King say he was taking?
85s.
85s.
Yeah.
How do you feel? I put a sketchy ass bid price.
PLTR getting beat up.
Yeah, Pluto. It's because if you take a debit spread and it rockets in your direction, it takes time for you to get paid. The debit spreads are more about time than they are about price. Because now is your sell side in the money? It's not in the money, it's very far. So, yeah, so you make the most money if your sell side gets in the money and then time passes. Like just random numbers, let's say I take a 100 105 spread and then it gets to 110, but I still have 30 days left. You'll make money, but you make more money every day that goes on because your 110 is in the money. So every day that passes, you'll make more and more money. Even if it goes down a little bit, because both your contracts are in the money. You're green on the day by $1. Nice.
Who's that?
That's Wayne. But alright guys, what the hell is going on with all the bunch of people spamming shit in my Twitch chat, a bunch of bots. Get blocked. Get blocked. Alright, I'm gonna call it a stream on that. Hell of a day today. Fucking Apple didn't hit 125. That's the saddest part of the day. But everything else was good. We called out some Microsoft lottos. They paid. What else did we call? We called out a bunch of shit today. Basically everything worked out. I'm going to be releasing another video today in the Discord and on YouTube. It's the Oasis Trading Suite walkthrough video. It's like 30 minutes long. I go over how to use the indicator completely, how to use the pivots for entries, targets, basically everything. So be on the lookout for that. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be posting levels again tonight. Hopefully you guys have been keeping an eye on those. You can take it from Castro, Eileen, a bunch of people. They look at the levels. They do well. So do your homework, guys. I'm going to post those later tonight. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Take it easy, guys.